The majority of auto loans originate at the car dealership. After all, it turns the car buying trip into a quick, convenient experience. But getting financing at the dealership is tantamount to going through the entire sales process a second time. The finance desk at a dealership is another step in the car sale where you'll find yourself dealing with added options, ridiculous fees, and high interest rates. Dealership financing is often regarded by loan industry experts and consumer advocates as a secondary choice for financing. While people with poor credit stand a better chance of getting a car loan at the dealership, those with average credit and above are better off getting their auto loan pre-approved with a traditional lender. A pre-approved auto loan puts the power of the purchase in your hands, not the dealership's. With an amount pre-approved for the car you want, you have a stronger position from which to negotiate, since you don't have to rely on being approved by the dealership's finance department. With your auto loan secured through a bank, credit union, or other lending company, you will find that you're insulated from most of the sales tactics that the dealership will employ. Knowing what you have to spend gives you the advantage of resisting the pitch to buy more car than you can afford or need. However, knowing what you have to spend doesn't mean you have to tell the salespeople what you have to spend. If you tell the sales staff what you can afford, they will find a car for you at that exact price, whether you want it or not. While it's perfectly fine to let the dealership know you have an auto loan pre-approved, it's your best strategy to keep the amount to yourself. If you find the car you want at a lower amount than what you have pre-approved, you will find yourself paying off a smaller loan, saving hundreds if not thousands of dollars in the end. Pre-approval for an auto loan does require that your credit be in reasonable health. Though there are lenders who specialize in auto loans for bad credit, most pre-approved auto loan packages are reserved for people with average to good credit. If you do not have bad credit, your chances for being pre-approved are smaller, and if you are approved, you will pay higher interest rates. If your credit is too low, however, you'll be doing your financing through the dealership. Because they do business with a number of financial companies and have access to manufacturer-backed financing incentives, they have greater flexibility in who they can approve for auto loans. Though you might have bad credit and need to go through the dealership for your loan, you can still be aware of the added costs they're likely to try and include in the sale. You may not feel you have that much negotiating power in the sale. You do actually have the right to refuse certain options such as VIN etching, underbody rust proofing, etc. You do actually have the right to refuse certain options such as VIN etching, underbody rust proofing, etc. You also have the right to question certain inexplicable fees, such as dealer prep and delivery fees. There's no doubt that getting the money ahead of time puts you ahead of the game when it comes to financing. With your auto loan pre-approved, you stand a better chance at making your car purchase a money-saving proposition. Too often, consumers rely on convenience to get through the process without thinking about the true costs. Getting your auto loan pre-approved is your path to savings and peace of mind. Why leave it up to the dealership's finance manager when a little extra effort can bring you that peace of mind? Federal Auto Loan. Good credit, bad credit, no credit, all good.